Vaquita. The vaquita is considered the rarest marine mammal in the world. It is a small porpoise that lives exclusively in the northern part of the Gulf of California in Mexico. What makes the vaquita especially rare is its extremely limited habitat. It is found nowhere else on Earth, which means any threat in that region directly affects the entire species. Vaquitas are known for their shy behavior and distinctive appearance, including dark rings around their eyes and lips. They are difficult to study because they avoid boats and human activity. This has made conservation efforts challenging, as scientists have limited opportunities to observe them in the wild. The primary reason the vaquita is so rare is accidental entanglement in fishing nets. These nets are often set for other species, but vaquitas can become trapped and drown. Despite conservation laws, illegal fishing continues to impact their population. Vaquitas play an important role in the marine ecosystem by helping maintain balance in the food chain. Their decline is a reminder of how human activity can unintentionally threaten even the most hidden species. Protecting the vaquita means protecting the health of the entire marine environment it depends on. Axolotl. The axolotl is a rare amphibian known for its unique appearance and extraordinary biological abilities. Native to freshwater lakes near Mexico City, the axolotl is often called the walking fish, even though it is not a fish. Its rarity comes from severe habitat loss caused by urban expansion and water pollution. What makes the axolotl truly remarkable is its ability to regenerate lost body parts. It can regrow limbs, parts of its heart, spinal cord, and even sections of its brain. This ability has made the axolotl an important subject in scientific research, especially in studies related to healing and regeneration. In the wild, axolotl populations have declined dramatically. Drainage of lakes, introduction of invasive species, and poor water quality have reduced their natural habitat. Although axolotls are commonly seen in captivity, wild axolotls are critically endangered. Axolotls play a role in maintaining aquatic balance by feeding on insects and small organisms. Their decline highlights the importance of protecting freshwater ecosystems. Preserving their habitat not only saves the axolotl, but also supports biodiversity and water quality for many other species. Saola. The saola is one of the rarest large land mammals in the world and is often referred to as the Asian unicorn. It lives in the dense forests along the border of Vietnam and Laos. The saola is so elusive that it was only discovered by scientists in the early 1990s, making it one of the most recently identified large mammals. Saolas have long, straight horns and a gentle appearance. They are extremely difficult to observe in the wild due to their remote habitat and cautious behavior. Very few photographs of live saolas exist, and much of what is known comes from indirect evidence, such as tracks and camera traps. The rarity of the saola is mainly caused by habitat destruction and hunting pressures. Forest clearing and illegal traps set for other animals pose serious threats. Even when not targeted directly, saolas can become victims of these traps. The saola is an important symbol of forest conservation in Southeast Asia. Its survival depends on protecting untouched forest areas. Saving the saola means preserving entire ecosystems that support countless other plant and animal species. Amur leopard. The Amur leopard is one of the rarest big cats on Earth. It lives primarily in the temperate forests of the Russian Far East and parts of northeastern China. What makes this leopard unique is its ability to survive in cold climates, unlike most other leopard species that live in warmer regions. Amur leopards are known for their thick fur and wide rosettes, which help them blend into snowy and forested environments. They are solitary animals, meaning they spend most of their lives alone and cover large territories in search of prey. This wide range requirement makes them especially vulnerable when habitats shrink. The main reasons for the Amur leopard's rarity include habitat loss, poaching, and depletion of prey species. Forest clearing for agriculture and development has reduced their living space, while illegal hunting threatens both the leopards and the animals they depend on for food. Despite their low numbers, conservation efforts have shown that recovery is possible. Protected areas and anti-poaching measures have helped stabilize the population. The Amur leopard represents hope that focused conservation can prevent extinction, even for the rarest predators. Kakapo. The kakapo is a rare, flightless parrot native to New Zealand. It is one of the heaviest parrots in the world and is unique because it cannot fly. Instead, it uses strong legs to climb trees and glide short distances. Its rarity comes from a combination of slow reproduction and vulnerability to predators. Kakapos are nocturnal, meaning they are active at night. They rely heavily on scent rather than sight, which is unusual for birds. This adaptation worked well before predators arrived, but it became a disadvantage when humans introduced mammals such as cats and rats. Because kakapos reproduce very slowly, population recovery takes time. They only breed under specific environmental conditions, which makes conservation more challenging. Every individual bird is carefully monitored by conservation teams. The kakapo has become a symbol of wildlife protection success. Through intensive conservation efforts, its population has slowly increased. Protecting the kakapo helps preserve New Zealand's unique ecosystem and highlights how human intervention can also play a positive role in saving species. Pangolin. Pangolins are among the most trafficked mammals in the world, making them extremely rare in the wild. They are found in parts of Africa and Asia and are known for their protective scales made of keratin. When threatened, pangolins curl into a tight ball, using their scales as armor. Despite this defense mechanism, pangolins are highly vulnerable to human activity. They are hunted for their scales and meat, driven by illegal wildlife trade. This pressure has caused dramatic population declines across all 8 pangolin species. Pangolins play a vital ecological role by feeding on ants and termites. A single pangolin can consume thousands of insects in a day, helping regulate insect populations and maintain soil health. Their disappearance can lead to imbalances in ecosystems. Because pangolins are shy and difficult to observe, conservation efforts face challenges. Protecting pangolins requires global cooperation, law enforcement, and education. Their situation highlights the consequences of illegal trade and the importance of protecting wildlife through sustainable practices. Okapi. The okapi is a rare and unusual mammal found only in the dense rainforests of the Democratic Republic of Congo. At first glance, it appears to be a mix of different animals, with a body similar to a giraffe and striped legs that resemble a zebra. Despite this appearance, the okapi is actually the closest living relative of the giraffe. Okapis are shy and solitary animals, spending most of their lives hidden within thick forest vegetation. This secretive behavior makes them difficult to study and contributes to their rarity. They rely on their excellent hearing to detect danger and quietly move away from threats. The main reasons for the okapi's declining population include habitat destruction, illegal mining, and hunting. Forest clearing reduces the availability of food and shelter, while human activity increases the risk of conflict. Because okapis depend on untouched forest environments, even small disturbances can have serious effects. Okapis play an important role in forest ecosystems by spreading seeds and maintaining plant diversity. Their survival depends on preserving large areas of rainforest. Protecting the okapi also helps safeguard countless other species that rely on the same habitat. Ii. The ii is one of the rarest and most misunderstood primates in the world. It lives in the forests of Madagascar and is known for its unusual appearance, including large eyes, sharp teeth, and an extremely long middle finger. This finger is used to tap on tree bark to locate insects hidden inside. The ii is nocturnal, meaning it is active at night. Its large eyes allow it to see in low light, while its sensitive hearing helps it detect movement inside trees. These unique adaptations make the ii highly specialized for its environment. Unfortunately, the ii is often threatened by superstition. In some areas, it is mistakenly viewed as a bad omen, leading to persecution. Combined with habitat loss due to deforestation, this has contributed to its rarity. AIs play a vital ecological role by controlling insect populations and supporting forest health. Protecting them requires education and conservation efforts that address both environmental and cultural challenges. Saving the II helps preserve Madagascar's rich and unique biodiversity. Shoebill stork. The shoebill stork is a rare and striking bird found in the wetlands of Central and Eastern Africa. It is named for its large, shoe-shaped bill, which it uses to catch fish and other aquatic prey. The shoebill's appearance often gives it a prehistoric look, making it one of the most fascinating birds in the world. Shoebills are known for their patience. They can stand motionless for long periods, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. This hunting strategy requires calmness and precision, traits that help them survive in swampy environments. The shoebill's rarity is largely due to habitat loss. Wetlands are increasingly drained for agriculture and development, reducing available nesting and feeding areas. Human disturbance also affects breeding success. Shoebills play an important role in wetland ecosystems by helping regulate fish populations. Protecting their habitats ensures the survival of many other species that depend on wetlands. Their presence is a sign of a healthy and balanced ecosystem. Red panda. The red panda is a rare and gentle mammal found in the mountainous forests of the Himalayas and parts of southwestern China. Despite its name, the red panda is not closely related to the giant panda. It belongs to its own unique animal family and has characteristics that set it apart from other mammals. Red pandas are known for their reddish-brown fur, bushy tails, and masked faces. These features help them stay warm in cold environments and blend into forest surroundings. They're mostly solitary and spend much of their time in trees, using their sharp claws for climbing and balance. The main reason red pandas are rare is habitat loss. Forest clearing, agriculture, and human expansion have reduced the bamboo forests they rely on for food. Climate change has also affected their habitat, making survival more difficult. In addition, illegal poaching poses an ongoing threat. Red pandas play an important role in maintaining forest balance by supporting plant growth and biodiversity. Their presence indicates a healthy ecosystem. Protecting red pandas requires preserving forest habitats and supporting conservation programs that protect wildlife long-term. If you found this explanation of rare animals informative and engaging, consider subscribing for more educational content like this. Leave a comment sharing which animal surprised you the most or which rare species you'd like to see explained next. Your support helps this channel continue creating clear, educational, and meaningful videos.